Hey there, welcome back to my channel and to my home. I hope you are having a great fall season so far. Today we are on my back patio because it is officially time to decorate the outside of the house for the autumn season. I am so ready to make the outside feel just as cozy as the inside of my home. I hope this video brings you some outdoor autumn decor inspiration. So I hope you enjoy it. Let's get to decorating. The first thing I want to do before I start decorating is give the furniture out here a quick little clean and wipe down all the surfaces. I usually keep up with this weekly so they weren't too dirty. Then I decided to add this little outdoor rug I found at the at-home store this past spring. I love to layer my rugs from time to time. I just think it gives the space a more cozy feel, especially for fall. Decorating the back patio is only half of the outdoor fall decorating I like to do each year. I will be decorating and of course sharing my fall front porch here with you tomorrow, so be sure to check back for more fall outdoor decorating inspiration, and I will be sure to link that video in this description box once it's live, of course. Also, in case you didn't know, all of my fall decorating videos are saved in my fall playlist, so if you enjoy videos like this, be sure to check that out as well. That will also be in the description. Where I live in Texas, we don't have a lot of beautiful autumn foliage naturally, so I like to bring all of the colors in with good quality decorative pieces that will last for years. Most of the patio decor you will see here today is from Balsam Hill. I can always count on Balsam Hill to help me make my home so beautiful each and every season, and fall is absolutely no exception. This autumn, they sent me some of their gorgeous pre-lit maple trees. They come in 6 foot, 5 foot, and 4 foot, and they're made for the outdoors, so my covered patio is the perfect spot for them. If you would like to shop Balsam Hill this season, be sure to use my code FALLBRITNEY for $50 off your purchase of $300 or more. I'll be sure to leave the link and my code in the description below. Thank you again to Balsam Hill for all the beautiful fall decor. Here's a quick look at some of the other pieces I'll be using on the back patio today. I love these hanging baskets from Balsam Hill because I have some great hooks back here on my patio. These are so pretty. They actually light up. I want to share these with you. Hi. Hi, little hummingbird. Hello, little hummingbird. Oh, you're gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I got that on film, but the prettiest little hummingbird. I have all the florals out for fall. She just flew right up and she was so cute. It was so sweet. She was like looking at all the flowers and the little trees. It was the cutest thing. Oh, sorry, I got distracted by that adorable little hummingbird. Now let's hang these gorgeous hanging baskets. I had to take a little break from decorating to share some deer appreciation in this video. I had so many deer in the backyard while I was decorating today. They are so sweet and peaceful. I love watching them graze back here. I have two different types of deer that come through my property. These are the whitetail, and the other that I've shared in previous videos are access deer. How cute is this wooden fall-inspired tic-tac-toe board? I found it at Walmart the other day, and I thought it would be a little something fun to have out here when visitors come over to relax and hang out. Some of my all-time favorite pieces from Balsam Hill that they offer each fall are their artificial mums. Y'all, I am telling you, these are the best quality faux florals out there. They look so lifelike in person and they come potted so nicely. These are pieces that will last season after season, and while I love fresh, real mums, I also love to invest in things that will look beautiful for years to come. I really wanted this space to be a cozy little outdoor sanctuary at night. These maple trees are pre-lit, and after I filmed this, I actually went back and added some string lights to my 3 table centerpieces. So if you stay until the end of this video, I will be sure to share what the patio looks like all lit up in the evening. I think you're gonna love it. I know I do, and the dogs definitely love it. You'll see. So I ordered some crates to go out here from Amazon, and let me tell you something. Always check the sizing. I wanted to use these to stack pumpkins on. I don't think that's what I'm going to be able to use them for, but they'll still be very cute on a tabletop or something. So maybe we'll do a little arrangement in these. Amazon got me.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now, just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say storm, a lightning strike as we hold each other tight. You're I'm honest, you're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, you're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say, hey, you're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say, hey, that I love you.
Look, I think somebody's getting into the plant. Wonder who it could be. Did you get in the plant? Let me see. I think you did. Oh my goodness, look at your face. Did you get in the plant? You did? I love you. Can you tell everybody, happy fall? We love you guys. Thank you for watching. Say happy fall.